Ether's been on a serious upward march. We're seeing it hold at around $3,854, which some traders say is the stepping stone to an altcoin rally that might hit anywhere from 200% to 500% in just a few months.
Yeah, right. And it feels like the market's embracing a much more risk-on attitude, doesn't it? Liquidity and investor appetite seem to be shifting as Ether's strength sets a kind of precedent.
Absolutely. It's like um, Ether's comeback is fueling this buzz that altcoins could soon explode. Traders like Michael van der Pop are saying that this could be a game changer within the next 2 to 4 months.
Yep, exactly. But here's where it gets tricky. Not everyone is on board with that view, right? I mean, there are voices out there, like from Trader Munib, who are skeptical, saying that this rise might fizzle out after this leg.
Right, right. And while the promise of such explosive gains is exciting, history reminds us that Q3 has been a pretty challenging period for Ether, averaging just 6.48% returns since 2016.
Uh-huh, true. So, even with all the hype, there's a cautionary note here. Sometimes the momentum is just a temporary surge, not backed by long-term fundamentals. I mean, could this be a case of too much risk on?
Well, it's certainly a double edged sword. On one side, we've got growing institutional interest and potential short squeezes, especially if Ether breaches that $4,000 mark, putting millions in short positions at stake.
I see that. And on the flip side, as some analysts mention, the market's been in a bearish Q3 slot historically. So, while the altcoin pump looks delicious on paper, it's also a reminder to stay cautious.
Exactly. It's like planning a big party where the invitations are out, but one storm could ruin the mood. The rally might be real, but it's got its fair share of volatility hanging around.
Right, absolutely. Here's something interesting though. Some traders are even saying that Ether might um, wreck the bears soon, thanks to declining supply on exchanges and that renewed interest. It's almost like the market's poised for that big turnaround.
Yeah, it's a bit of a tug of war between bullish projections, like Tom Lee's $16,000 prediction, and the more cautious voices emphasizing seasonal
Uh-huh,
trends.
definitely. I gotta say, I understand the excitement, but I'm a bit concerned that not every bullish indicator is foolproof. Sometimes, the fear of missing out can drive the hype beyond what fundamentals might support.
I get that, but then again, the market dynamics are rarely linear. It's like a roller coaster. You have the steep climbs of optimism and then those sharp drops of caution.
Yeah, exactly. So the takeaway? While Ether's surge might be sparking hopes for a massive altcoin rally, investors should be ready for ups and downs, keeping an eye on both the potential gains and the inherent risks.